Hi there, students. Litter. Either a countable noun or an uncountable noun, or a verb as well, to litter. Okay, this is one of these words with various different meanings. Firstly, litter. Carelessly discarded rubbish. The streets were full of litter after the celebrations. So litter, pieces of waste paper and all sorts of other things all over the ground. People should put their litter in the litter bin. So, to litter as a verb, to throw rubbish in the street, to throw rubbish in the countryside. That's what a litter bug does. They throw litter everywhere. As an extension to this, we can use litter to litter, meaning a disorganized pile of things, or to scatter things all over the place. So there were papers littered all over my desk. There were a litter of things in the cupboard in a large pile. I'm a really untidy person, and there are always clothes littered all over my bedroom. Okay, so another meaning now. A litter. A group of animals, all born at the same time. There were 6 puppies in the litter. My cat had a litter of kittens. Okay, so it's a group of animals that are babies, and they were all born at the same time, at the same moment. For example, you also have the word brood, which applies to birds, So a brood of chicks, or a litter of puppies. Okay, and another one, a litter is this dry absorbent material, sort of like stones, that you put in the litter box of a cat for it to use as a toilet. Okay, so litter. It can also be the absorbent material for the floor of an animal's cage, or for the place where it lives, dry straw. And then one more meaning for litter as well. It's like a stretcher. If somebody is injured, you have this flat thing with 4 handles that you can use to carry the patient. And that is a litter or a stretcher. A litter can also be one of these sedan chairs where you have a chair and 4 poles and people carry somebody about in this litter. Okay, so either this stretcher, this bed that you can carry somebody in, or this chair that you can carry somebody about in. So, litter. Rubbish scattered all over the place. There's litter all over the floor. To litter. To scatter rubbish everywhere. Or just to scatter things everywhere. There were papers littered all over the floor. A litter, a group of babies of mammal all born at the same time. A litter of tiger cubs. And then litter, kitty litter, dry absorbent material for animals, either for their home or for their toilet. Kitty litter, cat litter. And then a litter, a stretcher or a chair to carry somebody about in. Okay, so next question. How formal is this word litter, or the different meanings? I think the rubbish meaning 5, flexible, you can use anywhere. I think the baby and the baby animals, maybe a little bit more formal, 5.5, even 6, but again, flexible, you could use anywhere. kitty litter, cat litter, the dry material for the toilet, maybe 4.5 to 5 in formality. And then there's litter to carry somebody around in, maybe 6.5 in formality. It sounds a bit more literary. You might want to use the word stretcher. So, what about the origin? Well, litter comes from the French word lit, a bed, and that itself comes from Latin lectus, a bed, and that in turn comes from ancient Greek lectron, a bed, and there you've got all sorts of other different meanings, a bed of something. So there you go, litter. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Litter.